Alright, YouTube. Just had a smallmouth bass hit me right there and destroyed my what do you call it? Rubber legs. I forgot the correct term for it, but this is how you catch a smallmouth real quick. So I tied on a little swim bait with a jig head or with a split shot. Ghetto rig. Hopefully we get them right here. Check us out. Keep it on the selfie. Man, I don't know where he is exactly, but he was just in here. Man, I don't know where he is exactly, but he was just in here. It was crazy.
He was aggressive, though. He was like, one so bad. He was like, came right into that. Obviously cannot catch this fish, so I'm supposed to chop a little bit.
Yeah, we just had this dude too. Easy money, we just had this dude. Or female, I don't know. Fuck. Excuse my language. Oh, got him, got him. Hey, I found him. Oh, that's a little bass. That's an art. Okay. We got him. He's a little guy. A little largy. But there's another one in here, man. I'm telling you, there's a largy. Or a smallmouth in here. I just had him. I don't know where's... Yeah. Dropped it in, got him. Let's get it. Watch him just choke it right underneath the log. I'm still looking for the smallmouth though, man. I had a smallmouth and it freaking like just smoked my spinner bait. I can't find it. So we're gonna keep searching. There we go. Nice clear water. Too fast. I don't think that was the same bass, but it could have been. Oh, snap. That's not what you wanted. That's a certified snag. Alright, so whenever you guys snag, sometimes the hook bends. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's bent. So if you try to fish with it, it's not gonna really work out. So you gotta try to bend it. But I don't got a plier on me right now. It's in the car, so we're gonna call it a day. And yeah, got one fish though. I swear there was a smallmouth right in there, but it didn't happen, so who knows? I could be lying. Got my spinner bait back. And since we're right here at the cart, I'll show you how to bend this hook back. Ooh. All you guys are gonna do, the spinner bait is still useful, it just doesn't have a trailer. That's what it's called, trailer, rubber legs, trailer, whatever you want to call it. But you just bend it back just like this, and it's good to go. It's probably bent too. Yep, hook is not sharp, or yeah, that's what I meant. The hook, like the very point of it is bent, so it's not sharp. So we're gonna have to sharpen that up, and we use a nail file for that, but I mean, I could show you guys again. I think I got one in the car on it. All right, let's get it. So all I like to do, you know, give it like a little diamond. So you gotta sharpen it four ways. Like one like this, one like this, one like that, and one like that. And it's kind of like shaping it like a diamond. I'm sorry if I'm hard to understand. Like sometimes I'm just talking to myself out here. It gets boring, or I just get so flustered that, you know, you don't want anyone else to hear, but you're out in nature, so I mean you can talk as loud as you want to yourself, or as soft as you want to yourself. And like I tend to talk kind of soft, but like out loud. So it's kind of weird. But stay tuned for the next episode, guys. Peace out. Like and subscribe, comment, _GSIN Chinese Redneck out, man. Peace. Alright, y'all, I don't know why I'm in this like mindset of being so mad that I didn't catch a smallmouth, because I should be grateful that I caught one largemouth bass. I swear there was a smallmouth though, that's probably why, but like I'm okay. I need to chill out. I get so upset on like the smallest things. Like I caught one fish, that's okay, man. Like dude, you're good. Like just chill out. And I'm in the hot tub right now. I'm chilling out, but I'm just going back in my head, and it's like why do I even go back in my head? So learn to forget things and be okay with things. So signing off, guys. Peace. Hope you guys enjoyed the little video. That's a dope spot. Hopefully no one finds it.